always feel that I'm the forefront for any new joinee getting into Zoho.
Hi Bhavadharini, it's so lovely to have you with us today. Thank you for being a part of our International HR Day conversation. Let's start with the big one. What's that one thing that makes HR very meaningful to you?
First of all, it gives me an immense pleasure to be addressed as an HR. It's always an overwhelming joy for me, when there is a lot of interaction with people. There's a lot of challenge here because we are dealing with people with difference with background, experience. So how I talk to whom and how I handle people is quite really challenging for me. And this challenge is something which keeps me going on. So that's something which I love to be an HR, to do it, the interaction with people.
That's such a genuine answer. Thank you for sharing that with us. Now, let's shift the lens a little. There are a lot of myths about HR out there. If you could set the record straight on just one, what would it be?
Okay, HR isn't always about policies. It's about people as well. So there's a myth that HRs are the one who will ensure that the organization complies with the existing laws and policies. But we are also supportive of our people. We wanted to give them a fair treatment, inculcate a positive work culture. Because we always believe that people are the greatest asset of any organization. And we being workplace diplomats, we wanted to maintain the balance between, the equilibrium between the management and people.
That's so true, and that's something that a lot of people don't realize, right? Now, taking a moment to reflect, is there a particular moment in your HR journey that made you pause and feel, this is why I do what I do?
The proudest moment, well, I always feel that I'm the forefront for any new joinee getting into Zoho. Of course, the tag team are the ones who are taking them through various stages of interview process and bringing the best one. But once they bring in, so I am the humble member of the pre-onboarding team. So we will ensure that the individual is fit to be an employee on papers, and then we'll say you come join us. So I feel like I am the gate opener for new joinees into Zoho. It really makes me feel proud. So any new joinee, they may not be able to recognize me because they are not seeing me in person. But if you ask them who's Bhavadharini, they'll be like, yeah, she was the one who was interacting with us during the pre-onboarding process. That feels like, wow, I'm popular among the new joinees. So that's something which is really making me feel proud.
Lovely, Bhavadharini. I'm sure it's a very meaningful experience for you. And now let's talk about teamwork. If you had to choose one word to describe your team, what would it be, and why does that word come to your mind?
It's about our team. So it's a team with difference. Our HR team is quite unique. It's not like the usual strict HR team with all these rigid policies. Of course, we compile by compliance policies and standards, but I always feel that our HR team is quite flexible and employee friendly. So it's a team with difference.
Lovely, lovely. That's a lovely way to describe your team. Thank you. And one final thought, what's something amazing that HR does, that goes behind the scenes, something that that HR do very well, but, that is not seen by people? What do you think that is?
Well, I don't have an answer to the question on what is unnoticed because I see as a people management team. So we are a people management team where we do a lot for people, starting from recruitment to welfare programs to conflict resolutions or whatever. Our day-to-day activity involves people. So I don't think there is anything unnoticed. Of course, there are some critics, but we cannot look things into critics' point of view. Whatever we do, there are certain people who are satisfied and there are certain who are not. But we are always approachable for taking up opinions and improve ourselves, and we are being that flexible. There's a saying, right? The hands that rock the cradle are the hands that are going to rule the world. I feel that's so apt for my team. We are so flexible, and that's going to really do good things to Zoho. That's what I believe in. And I take this opportunity to wish all my team members a happy HR day. You guys are doing a good job, fabulous job. And thank you for all these humble questions. It's first time in front of all these bright lights, and You made it so comfortable for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhavdarini. This was such a warm and inspiring chat. Thank you for that. Thank you for your stories, and we are very happy to feature your voice in this campaign. Thank you.
Thank you.